Hello student, good morning. Today we will start the new topic general character and classification up to class level of arthropoda. Arthropoda. Arthropoda are bilaterally symmetrical. Arthropoda are bilaterally symmetrical. Triploblastic. Metamerically segmented animals with coelom which is reduced and modified. Their body is covered externally in a chitinous exoskeleton which molds periodically and their appendages are joined. Arthropods are triploblastic. Arthropods are triploblastic, bilaterally symmetrical, metamerically segmented animals. Body is covered with thick chitinous cuticle forming exoskeleton. Body segments usually bear paired lateral and joined appendages. Muscular is not continuous but comprises separate stripped muscles. Body cavity is hemocele. Body cavity is hemocele. The true coelom is reduced to the spaces of the genital and excretory organs. Genital and excretory organs. Digestive tract is complete. Means alimentary canal is complete developed. Mouth and anus lie at opposite ends of the body. Circulatory system is open with dorsal hint and anteries but without capillaries. Respiration through general body surface by gills in aquatic forms. Trachea or book lungs in the terrestrial forms. True nephridia are absent. Excretion by coelomodes or Malpighian tubules or green or coaxial glands. Cilia are entirely absent from all parts of the body. Sexes are generally separate and sexually dimorphism is often exhibited by several forms. Fertilization is internal. Development is usually indirect through larval stages. Parental care is also often well marked in many arthropods. Most diversified group inhabiting the lands, water and air. This is the general characters of arthropods. Classification of arthropods. Phylum Arthropoda and its various growths have been classified differently by different workers, but the classification of arthropoda followed in the present based on Wendell in 1949, Snodgrass in 1960, subphylum Trilobitonomorpha, subphylum Chelicerata, class Merostomata, Arachnida, Pinogonida. Other subphylum Mandibulata, subphylum Mandibolata, and phylum Arthropoda. Classes: Crustacea in Mandibulata subphylum. Many classes, that is Crustacea, Cephalopoda, Symphyla, Pauropoda, Diplopoda, and Insecta. Trilobaitomorpha subphylum. Trilobaitomorpha. Tria means 3, lobus means lobe, plus morphus means forms, 3 lobes, forms, represented by fossils. Trilobites only. Body separated by 2 longitudinal furrows into 3 lobes, except the last segment. All segments bears biramous appendages. All were marine forms. All were bottom dwellers, that is bentozoic. Chilicerata. Chili means cloths, Kyros means horn, and eta means group. Body divisible into cephalothorax or prosoma and abdomen or opisthosoma. First pair of appendages are chelicerae, which are pre-oral and feeding in function. Second pair of appendages are pedipalpi, which are post-oral antennae and true jaws not found. True jaw not found. Mostly terrestrial and predaceous. Class Merostomata. Exclusively aquatic, all marine prosoma bears compound eye placed laterally. It is broadly joined to abdomen. 5 or 6 pairs of appendages in abdomen. Modified as gills or branches for respiration. Abdomen ends in a spike-like long telson. Next class, Arachnida. Arachne means spider. Old means like. Spider-like. Mostly terrestrial, few aquatic. Prosoma bears 6 pairs of appendages. 1 pair chelicerae, 1 pair pedipalpi, and 4 pairs of walking legs. Abdomen usually without appendages. Respiratory organs, either tracheae, book lungs, or book gills. Excretory organs are Malpighian tubules or coxal glands, or both. Sexes are separate. Sexes dimorphism not conspicuous, and development mostly direct. Class Pycnogonida. Commonly referred to as sea spiders. Very small in size. Body mainly consists of cephalothorax, abdomen reduced, pedipalpi short segmented, and chelicerae very small. Usually 8 pairs of long walking legs. Mouth played on a long proboscis, eyes simple and 4 in number, respiratory and excretory organs wanting sexes separate, dioecious in nature. Sexes are separate. Females with a pair of ovigears for carrying the eggs. Okay, thank you.